Hi there, today I'd like to share another no-mess craft. This one is a lobster, and the inspiration for this craft came from a book called There Might Be Lobsters. It's a story about a dog named Sookie who goes to the beach with her owner Eleanor and sidekick, a stuffed monkey named Chunkamunka. Sookie is scared of everything, the sand, the noise, and the fact that there might be lobsters. While watching Eleanor swim, Sookie sits with Chunkamunka by the water's edge because she's too afraid to go in. That is until Chunkamunka gets swept out to sea. Sookie then springs into action and saves Chunkamunka, realizing she's actually brave when someone she loves is in trouble. And they didn't see a lobster the whole day. If you'd like to make the lobster, all you'll need is construction paper, a pencil, scissors, googly eyes, a glue stick and clear Elmer's glue, and paper fasteners. Also some thin cardboard, like from a cereal box. I started by drawing a rough draft of what I wanted my lobster to look like. Once I knew what I wanted it to look like, I drew it in pieces, starting with the body and arms. It looks like a big sausage with arms. Here's what the tail looks like. It's easy. Just draw the body with arms, the claws, and the tail onto construction paper. Then cut that out. And then trace that onto cardboard and then cut that out. Now glue the construction paper onto the cardboard. I used a pen to poke through the tail and put the fastener in. I did the same thing with the claws. Now poke one hole in each arm and one on the bottom of the body. I mark where I want it to go and then I push it through. Now your lobster can move his claws and tail. I use red marker to outline and add some detail. Now glue on the eyes. You can also add red pipe cleaners onto the sides for legs, but I just wanted to keep mine really simple. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, and let me know if you make this with your little ones. Have a great day. Bye.